Right, greetings and welcome people. This is take 2 of installing my updated indicators on my bike. I did start it earlier today, but pretty much as soon as I hit record on this camera, the rain started chucking it down. So now bright and sunny again, we'll have another go. Now, as I was saying in the first time round, these are the front indicators. These are the back indicators. These, as you can tell from the packaging, are genuine Triumph parts. These are not, but they look close enough to the same, considering that one set's going to be on the back and the other set's going to be on the front, that it will not be that easy to tell the difference between them. But the only thing is I have noticed is that the material quality of these non-OEM ones is a bit iffy. It's very floppy and wobbly on the base here, which I don't know. I know there needs to be some flex and give in them to absorb vibrations, otherwise the bulbs fail very early. Excuse me a minute. But of course the big difference between getting genuine and non-genuine parts is that on the genuine parts it comes with the right connector, I hope, and on the non-genuine parts it doesn't. It comes with bullet connectors, which isn't going to be the problem that it could have been, because the back indicators on this bike have already had their wiring slightly modified. I believe that would have been when the first owner possibly had luggage fitted to the back, where the luggage racks come with their own built-in indicators to reposition them to allow for the luggage, and of course that means reconnecting them in a different manner, because obviously they're not the same as the Triumph connectors. So that's not going to be such a problem, but I do need to change one of the connectors, because obviously as you can see, these are two male bullet connectors, but the connections on the bike are one male, one female. And I've already done a bit of assessment, and I've determined that I need to change that male bullet connector to a female. And I need to do the same on that one. So I've already made a bit of a start on the bike. We'll go over there now and take a look. Just set you back up on the camera. Hold on. On the camera. On the tripod. And we'll go over here. As you can hopefully see, let's just move a bit closer. I've already fished out the connector for the existing, let me just turn you around a bit, for the existing indicator. The only problem is that I have to get this rubber boot off, and that is a bit of a tight fit. So let me just do that now while I'm in fact, that is going to be a very tight fit. Come on, in you go. That's it. In you go. Because once I've got this off this connector, I need to get it on over the new connector. Let me just see if I've got something that can help with that. see if we can get this off here. Ooh, this is a toughie. There we go. Need to work that through there. Once we get past this first part of the connector, it shouldn't be too bad. What I don't want to do is go pulling on the wires, because that will just rip the connectors out, and that would be a bad thing, as I may want to refurbish these indicators and put them back at some later date. There we go. Job done. Oops, throw it on the floor. So now I've already loosened the nut on the back of the indicator. So now just undo that. Pull that nut off there. Should be a couple of washers. Yep, there they are. And they should just come off over the connector, I hope. Yep, they do. I need those to go back on the new indicator because it doesn't come with fixings. Comes with the bulb, but no fixings. And that just pops out of there like that. And you can see the rather sorry state that is in. Okay. So as they say in all the best manuals, installation is reverse of removal. And the other thing, of course, is about the OEM stuff is they have these locating pegs on them so that the indicator is at the correct angle. Don't find those on the aftermarket ones. Put the nuts back on. And there we are. One rather more modern indicator. Right, now I just need to pass the wire back up through the fairing to the connector. I think that has to go behind there. Right, that's connected. Need to install the bulb. I think how flexible these indicator units are just demonstrates how tired and degraded the plastic was on the other ones. Right. That's my LED bulb fitted. The units come as standard with incandescent bulbs, but right. Let's see how that does, shall we? Not working. I'm wondering if the polarity is wrong. The bulb has failed because when it rained earlier the bulb got a bit of water on it, I think. Okay, I think we have a polarity problem, which is going to be a pain in the backside. That is the problem with LED bulbs, they are polarity sensitive, whereas the incandescent bulbs aren't. Let's just pop that out. Try the incandescent bulb that came with it. Okay, so it looks like we do have a polarity problem. Great. Well, I'm going to stay with the incandescent bulbs for the time being until I can sort that out. So I just need to do the other side, which is simply a reversal of a mirror of what I've just done. And for the time being, we'll switch to the ones at the back and see how we get on with that. Right, see if we can get this undone. Jesus. I designed the mounts for these blooming things, but